Cowboys Customs. This customer came in with this big monstrous truck, has a 12-inch Cognito Lift. Work was already done to it. What we did was we added some amp steps to make it a lot easier to get in this than jumping in. So when you open the door, they come out. When you close it, they go back in. And that's for, that door don't open, but all 4 doors. Another thing that we did was the train horn with the spare tire delete. So you remove your spare tire, put that up there, and everything connects kind of to that delete kit, so it's all in one location. Hey, wait, can y'all do this? Like put your arms to where you're, are y'all able to do both sides? You can do both sides? Can you do it?
Yeah.
What about the other way?
What do you mean?
Like your nails like that, backwards. Try it.
I don't think so.
Try it.
No.
Can you do it, Way? With your nails?
Y lo del otro lado y con tus uñas igual.
Con las uñas, pero del
Pero
otro
al
lado.
revés.
This side of your nails.
Right here? No. Así igual, pero con las palmas para arriba.
Con las palmas para arriba. Ah, mira.
Does that taste good? Does that taste good? Maybe.
What's going on today, guys? We're here in Irving, Texas at our Irving store, Cowboys Wheels and Tires. Today we got this really nice setup. It's a 3-inch BDS kit. It is wrapped in some Toyo AT2 tires on some 17-inch fuel vapors. It's a really nice Jeep Wrangler over here. It is a Sahara edition. We didn't do the bumpers or the winch or anything, but man, it really got a nice winch on there. We did install the 5th wheel on it, so it all got all 5 wheels, everything's matching. BDS makes a really nice kit. This customer is going to love the way this rides with the shocks and everything. Let's go ahead and check it out, and it's ready for the customer to get picked up. This can get in and out in about a day with testing, alignments, all that good stuff. So this one's good to go.